Let's create this text effect in Canva. Open Canva, select your dimension size, change the color of your background. Click on Apps and search for Type Curve. Select this one. Scroll down and select Image. Click on Choose File. Use an image without a background. Scroll down and paste your text. Toggle on the edit control points and adjust the path density to 10. Now start making all the necessary adjustments to make the text align perfectly. You can adjust the font size, letter spacing, offset, the control points, etc. Keep adjusting for everything to align perfectly. When you're done, change the text color to whatever you want and click on Add to Design. Scroll up and add the original image. Send it to the back and adjust the text to align with it perfectly.